Hi, this is Alessandro Pinton, and I'm gonna talk about the implementation guide release non-patient file sharing, known as NPFS. The need is to define how to enable the sharing of non-patient files. Files are non-patient related and do not contain patient health identifying information, so they are different from documents that are patient specific. Any file type can be created, updated, and consumed by different systems, but in the profile specific guidance is given for three types of files. Workflow definition, that are files regarding clinical and administrative workflow. Privacy domain policies, so files that describe a specific privacy policy. And style sheets, that are structured documents used to render the content of any XML document. Actors involved in the NPFS profile are file source, file manager, and file consumer. A file source can submit a file, replace a file, and update a document reference, a resource that represents metadata for a file. A file consumer can search a file and retrieve a file. A file manager stores received files and maintains related metadata, updates and maintains document reference resources, returns a list of document reference resources that match specific search parameters, and serves file to the file consumer. Here, there is an example of use case about privacy domain policies. As shown in the process flow, the file source submits a file to the file manager. The file consumer searches files with a specific class and status, in the example, class is privacy policy and status is current, and receives from the file manager the bundle that contains document reference resources. The file manager uses information received to retrieve the specific file. After that, the file source submits a new file and metadata that replace the old and updates the metadata of the replaced file. NPFS was already existing in PDF, but as done with all file compliant profiles, it has been converted to implementation guide with some significant changes from the PDF version. So there's a new transaction, ITI 109 retrieve file, to replace the reference to MHD ITI 68 retrieve document that refers to patient-specific documents. The implementation guide includes capability statements for the actors, contains defined audit event requirements leveraging basic audit, and integrates CP 1139. So that's the quick introduction to NPFS profile. For further information, there is a link to the implementation guide. There is also a reference to all publication and a reference to a discussion group on use of file. Thank you.